Today I want to show you a significantly faster and less stressful path to turn your long, raw videos into high-performing TikTok-ready clips using intelligent automation. Imagine taking a full-length recording, letting AI identify the golden moments, cropping them for mobile, and scheduling the posts without having to spend all day behind your monitor. We are looking for that specific workflow that finally makes content creation feel like you actually have a life outside of your studio. First, you need to head into your project dashboard and simply upload your long-form video file, whether it's an interview, a tutorial, or a casual live stream. Don't worry about file size, because modern back-end systems are built to process large raw footage files efficiently while you grab a quick coffee. Instead of doing what we used to do, manually scrubbing through hours of footage, the AI analyzes your entire video to suggest the best highlightable moments automatically. Once the processing is done, you need to pick your aspect ratio, and for TikTok, sticking to 9:16 is absolutely non-negotiable. This is critical because you want to fill the entire vertical screen without those awkward black bars or accidental crops cutting off the action. Use the smart reframe tools to ensure your subject stays perfectly centered, which is infinitely better than just zooming in and guessing where the face might be. Now, let's talk about the real game changer, the auto-editing feature that hunts for those high-energy beats and punchlines. You aren't just looking for random clips. You are looking for the software to surface parts that are likely to actually perform well with your audience. It gives you a handful of ready-to-post clips that you can skim through, trim slightly, or approve instantly without wasting hours of your time. After you have selected your favorite bites, it is time to focus on captions, because we all know that most social media users watch without sound. While the auto-generated captions are usually very accurate, you should always take a quick second to polish names and niche terms. Keep your on-screen text punchy by using short phrases, one-liners, or quick call-outs that match exactly what the speaker is saying in the moment. Ensure you are using clear, mobile-optimized fonts with high contrast colors, so the words pop off the screen regardless of the background. Always try to place your text in the safe zone, centered and away from the extreme edges, to avoid getting obscured by the platform's interface. Timing for these captions is everything, so bring the text in just as the sentence lands and remove it right after so viewers can scan it naturally. Subtle animations like a gentle fade or a small slide are more than enough to grab attention without making the video feel like a circus. Maintaining a consistent style across your clips is key, because when your audience sees a familiar font, they will recognize your brand instantly. Moving on to audio. If your clip has clear spoken words, make sure you keep them front and center while lowering the background music volume. Precision is important here, so take the time to layer your tracks and control your levels so that the voice remains perfectly crisp. If you need to add a voiceover, record it directly in the app, or upload a clean take, aiming for steady pacing rather than flashy delivery. Always preview the final clip by watching and listening together to ensure those small volume tweaks make the production feel polished. Now, let's get strategic by using a content calendar to help you line up these clips and visualize your posting frequency over the next several weeks. Don't just toss your clips out there randomly, but instead, think about a rhythm where you balance educational bites, behind-the-scenes content, and high-energy hooks. This kind of consistency is what really trains the algorithm and builds a loyal audience that knows exactly when to expect your next upload. If you want to go completely hands-off, the auto-schedule function allows you to set your preferred time windows so the AI does the heavy lifting for you. This is a massive relief if you are juggling multiple platforms or a busy posting cadence, effectively freeing up an entire afternoon that used to be eaten by manual uploads. While there are other tools out there that focus on manual design, they often lack the viral spotting AI that makes this specific workflow so powerful. That is exactly where this approach stands out, because it connects the entire process from long-form video to short-form clip in one centralized place. Remember that no tool is perfect, so don't let the AI replace your creative judgment. You should always eyeball the pics and tweak them to maintain your unique voice. For super niche technical terms, keep in mind that auto captions and trending suggestions might occasionally need a little bit of human tuning. However, compared to doing everything manually, you are saving a ton of time and giving yourself a much better statistical chance at hitting what resonates. Here's a practical tip. Trim the first half second off the start of each clip if it includes awkward breathing or a clumsy moment where you hit record. Try to use a short, punchy intro line that makes someone stop their scroll within the first 2 seconds of the video. If a clip feels like it runs longer than 30 seconds, consider splitting it into a mini-series, because people often watch 2 shorter clips faster than 1 long one. Always export a test version to watch on your actual mobile phone, because nothing beats that experience for catching layout or legibility issues. Visually speaking, Avoid tiny text overlays and complicated lower thirds because simpler is almost always smarter on a small phone screen. If you are using B-roll, ensure it actually supports your core message rather than distracting from the speaker's point. The timeline view in your editor makes swapping visuals easy, so you can experiment with a couple of different layout choices without committing to just one. When you finally publish, use your calendar to batch your captions and hashtags to save energy and avoid those stressful, late-night rushes. Track how your clips perform over the course of a week and let that data inform which types of hooks you choose for your future selections. As your analytics grow, you will start to understand exactly what lengths and styles work for your audience, allowing you to refine the AI suggestions over time. In short, the workflow is simple. Upload your long video, pick your aspect ratio, let the AI find the best moments, and then tighten everything up. You get more consistent output, less grunt work, and a much higher chance at creating clips that actually catch fire. It is not about magic tricks, but rather about building a smarter, more efficient workflow for your daily content needs. If you are currently coming from tools that make you do everything manually, give this method a try on just one project to compare the time you save. You will likely find yourself with more time to brainstorm fresh ideas, record new content, or even just enjoy some well-earned free time. Go ahead and make a few test clips today. Find that perfect combination of a great hook and clear audio, and see what vibes with your audience.